another video about camping location, and this time we are in Hungary, in Budapest, very close, relatively close to the city center, Camping Arena Budapest. So you can easily reach the city center by public transportation. And it's really nice, quiet place. There is not much around, so if you want to go to a restaurant, you need to take a car, unfortunately. It was very empty. I guess it's usually not crowded. Just now, Easter weekend is coming, so it gets pretty full. Yeah, let's check out. It's a little bit sexist. I guess in Hungary it's still a female job to clean the dishes. See, you still have a lot of space. Like at Gardasee you will not find even much smaller place, and here a lot of places are still available. It's a little bit too close to railways, so you can hear trains, but apart of that, it's really nice and quiet. For one night is 27 euros, so there is no classification of beaches. So for any place you choose, you have to pay just 27 euros per night. Breakfast can be available in the restaurant nearby. The price is 5 euros per person, and there is a very nice restaurant about 10 minutes drive from here. This I really highly recommend. And from the hotel, if you get a welcome paper, and if you show it at the restaurant, you get free wine or beer. So I really enjoyed it yesterday. Really nice. So what you can do, and more. cycling today, and personally I'm disappointed and I don't recommend. So for cycling you might wanna take a car a little bit, but we started directly from here and it's really not a nice road, so there is no cycling roads, not suitable. Only if you get further you can enjoy cycling on Donau, but it's far away.